Hey there, health enthusiasts! Did you know that onions are not just a staple in the kitchen, but they also pack a powerful punch when it comes to boosting your health? Welcome to today's video on 10 shocking ways onions boost your health. Onions may make you cry while cutting them, but trust me, the tears are worth it when you see the amazing impact they can have on your well-being. From weakened immunity to heart problems and digestive issues, it can feel like a constant battle to stay healthy. But fear not, because onions might just be the natural solution you've been looking for. Now, let's explore the top 10 surprising health benefits of onions. First up, did you know that onions are packed with antioxidants that can help boost your immune system and fight off illnesses? They also contain compounds that can lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. But here's the real kicker. One of the most unexpected health benefits of onions is their potential to improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Yes, you heard that right. Who knew that this common kitchen ingredient could have such a profound impact on your bone health? To sum it up, onions are not just for adding flavor to your dishes. They are a powerhouse of nutrients that can revolutionize your health. If you found these onion health benefits as mind-blowing as I did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes involving superfoods like onions. Thanks for watching.